Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Heather. Today we are going to make a magic learning machine. What you need for this is an empty carton. It could be milk or juice. This is strawberry lemonade. After you're finished with it, go ahead and just open it up at the top and clean it out really well and then dry it because this is what you're going to use for your machine. Then a parent needs to cut 2 holes in it. I already cut mine. There is a hole on one side at the bottom and a hole at the top that is right under the fold. I used a box cutter for this to make these 2 rectangles. After you have your holes cut, you're going to want to get a strip of paper. Your strip of paper should be about 3 3/4 inches by 11 3/4 inches. That will make it wide enough to take up the same length of the carton and longer than the actual carton, and you'll see why in a minute. But take your strip and you are just going to fold it at the top and then slide it inside the carton. Once you get it inside the carton, you're going to let it come out the bottom where that hole is. The part that you have folded is going to go above this opening right here. And see, you can see the paper through the opening because the fold's up top. And then I'm going to take a piece of packing tape or strong tape and I'm going to tape the fold down because I don't want this paper to move. Alright, now I'm going to check that the paper is secure because you can tug on it at the bottom. Now, once you have it at the bottom, you can, go ahead, you're going to have it a little bit loose in there, but then you can just wrap it around the bottom and tape it off again. Now I'm going to tape it to the bottom. Then, after your paper is secure inside, you can close the top back up, and I'm just going to staple my top closed. You can also tape it, whatever you want, but you want the top closed so that nobody goes in and moves the paper around. Now, here's where the magic part comes in. You can do numbers, sight words. I'm going to take little cards, and I'm going to write, let's see, I'm going to do the number 3. So I have the number 3, and then after I write the number, I'm just going to flip it upside down, and I'll draw 3 dots for my counting numbers. So watch how this machine works. If you're going to have your child practice counting, you can show them this picture, ask them what this number is, and then slide it in to reveal the answer. And when it comes out, it shows them the number 3. You can also do this with colors. Maybe you're trying to figure out what this word is. And they guess purple. Let's see if they're correct. Put it in, and when it slides out the bottom, it automatically flips it to the other side. And this one I had pre-made, and I drew the color purple at the bottom. I'll show you one more. Now let's do, I'm going to do 7 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here's my 7 dots. I'm going to flip it up, write the number 7. So then when I put it in my machine, how many dots do I think it is? I think it's 7. Let's check. And it slides out. It says 7. Have fun with your magic machine. You can also choose to decorate it. Maybe you want to cover it in paper or add stickers, but have lots of fun.